Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a lovely Audi Q5 that we've taken in. So this is a 2017 on a 17 plate. It's the 2-litre TDI Quattro S-line S-tronic automatic. So four-wheel drive, automatic gearbox, finished in beautiful Navarra Blue metallic, black interior, all the S-line bits and pieces on there. We have got quite a few extras on this car, just to list them for you. We've got the panoramic glass sunroof, electric opening glass sunroof, Audi Virtual Cockpit, technology package, Audi Phone Box and wireless charging, Audi Matrix LED headlights and LED rear lights, 20-inch alloy wheels, which are an option on this, additional size AdBlue tank, 24-litre AdBlue tank, and we've also got a full set of the Audi removable roof bars for this car as well, so we'll show you those in a little while. 2 owners from new, 8 services recorded, so really well looked after. Belonged to one of my customers, old customers. He's bought a replacement, so we bought this off him, and locally owned, locally supplied last time round. So let's have a look around. Okay, you can see on the front here we've got the front parking sensors, supplied by Bury St Edmunds Audi last time round, our local Audi main dealer. So looking down this side, have a look at these wheels. These are the 2-colour 20-inch alloy wheels. We've got a full set of Bridgestone tyres on this car. Beautiful colour this. See it around the other side here as well in a minute. Rear parking sensors there as well, obviously. Okay, let's show you in the boot here. We've got electric boot operation, and in the back here, inside this bag here, we've got the Audi roof bars, and we've also got the dog guard arrangement here as well. We've got carpet mats in the car, but we've also got a spare set here of front rubber. Okay, so mats. Just up here to shut the tailgate again, just push the button there. And around this side, show you inside the car. So as you can see, we've got this it's part leather, part cloth trimmed in the centre there. Could be Alcantara actually. Full set of carpet mats in there. Into the front here, full set of electric mirrors and windows. Sport seats, S-line seats with the S-line logos up here in the leather. Okay, so just show you the steering wheel here. So we've got the lovely leather bound steering wheel with the S-line logo on here. Buttons on here for the navigation and phone system, etc. We've also got the Audi Virtual Cockpit. I'll switch that on in a second and show that to you. While I've got this open here though, we've got the radio shown up on here. We've got DAB radio. We've got, let's just show you the other bits and pieces here. That's the sound system. We've got Bluetooth connection, navigation in the car, obviously. What else have we got on there? Audi Connect. Smartphone interface. Just run through all little bits and pieces we've got here. That's the settings on there, so all sorts of things to play with in there. And then moving down, we've got, I'll just start up so you can see we've got the dual zone climate control in here, touchpad down here for menu, etc. Buttons for the radio and map navigation, etc. And the controller there for the gearbox. We've also got wireless charging down here as well. Push button start. Down in the glove box here, 2 USB connections and the auxiliary there as well. Okay, so I'll just show you what they call the Audi Virtual Cockpit. So as you can see here behind the steering wheel, we can have the full screen navigation up in there. Alternatively, we can change that so that we've got the speedometer and the rev counter there. So just to show you that again, we can reduce that down, so really clear screen right behind the steering wheel. So we can have all the radio information in there, if you're on the phone, etc. So there's a lot of things you can have up on the virtual cockpit in there. So really useful, that is. Also got cruise control down here. We've also got paddle shift for the gearbox, if you want to make use of that rather than the automatic. Okay, so I'll just show you this on the Audi Virtual Cockpit. When the lights are in the on position, that all goes dark, so it helps you at night so you don't get any glare. Really nice thing to have that as well. Same with the screen over here. So light with the lights in the off position, when the lights are on, also goes dark. Okay, so we've got the double-sized sunroof here, just to show you. I can have it either slid back, that goes all the way back to cover the back section. A nice big open sunroof. Or you can just have it tilted. And we've also got the electric blind here, so you can stop this anywhere. So if you want the front section open and back covered, you can have it. So that electrically comes all the way forward, stop the sun glare. And really nice extra to have. Let's load light into the car, even if you don't use the opening facility. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. So there we go, under the bonnet of this one we've got the 2-litre turbo diesel engine, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, 187 brake horsepower, so plenty of power. But looking at the fuel economy figures, it should give you 50 to 55 miles to the gallon in all-round motoring, so economic as well, and works really well with the 4-wheel drive system and the Sportronic automatic gearbox. Okay, so just to run through that again, 2017 on a 17 plate, this is the Audi Q5 2-litre TDI Quattro S-Line S-Tronic automatic, 57,900 miles from new, 2 owners, 8 services recorded, locally owned, lovely car, this with lots of extras on it as we've pointed out. Please do give me a call if you need any more information. It's Simon Shield. It's 01473 658 091, or alternatively do hop on the website for all the still pictures of the service history, everything's there, and that's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.